The other day we went to the pet store and we got to walk around a little bit. We got some pets from some nice kids, and then we got to climb around a lot. And then before we could go home, he decided he had to explore the car a little bit. And then here's a little haul of everything that we got. My favorite thing was the black and white bow tie with the bell, but of course it was too big, so at least he'll grow into it. And then this was the biggest hit. He was so excited for me to open it because he could hear the balls rolling around, but he played with this for like an hour before I finally had to put it away. But I'm just so glad that he approves.